Hello there. So I just decided to film this video talking about fire alarms versus smoke alarms. Which one is better? Smoke alarm explanation. A smoke alarm is a cellular device that can be mounted on either a wall or a ceiling and is usually found in a house. Some smoke alarms can be square-shaped as well, such as the Nest Protect, and they can also be combined with a carbon monoxide alarm, such as the Kitty smoke/carbon monoxide alarm combos or the Nest Protect smoke/carbon monoxide alarm. Smoke alarms can be activated by either pressing the test button or by detecting of smoke. Fire alarm explanation. Fire alarms are devices that have a horn or speaker and a strobe light that is normally white and can be found in pretty much any public building you walk into. Fire alarms can be found in either red or white colors and can be mounted on either a wall or ceiling depending on the exact model you get. Fire alarms can be activated by either a pull station or a manual call point in the UK, a smoke detector like the Citizen Sensor i3, or a fire sprinkler. Once any of those devices get activated, it'll send a message to the fire alarm control panel and activate the fire alarm system. Which one is better at waking someone up? Some YouTube videos I've watched have shown that smoke alarms do not do that good of a job at waking someone up, especially young kids. Fire alarms, however, do a much better job at this task by blowing a loud horn or siren tone at you while flashing a white strobe light that will be impossible to sleep through. People in hotels in the middle of the night can get easily woken up by a fire alarm the very moment it activates. Even a fire alarm mini horn wakes people in hotel rooms from their sleep. Which one do I think is better? I personally think fire alarms are better because of the fact that they can be activated in a variety of different ways and not just smoke detection in the case of a fire emergency. I also think that smoke fire alarm systems should be installed in a house during the process of building it because there is a bigger chance you'll wake up to one of those flashing a strobe light than you would a smoke alarm that does not do that. The end. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to let me know down below which one you think is better between fire alarms and smoke alarms. As always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you all in my next video.